we're going to start with a very simple text design for mom or Mother's Day or birthday. And these are the steps we're going to take to make this design look better. We're going to click on the text box, click on heading. I'm going to type in instant. Move that up a bit. Go back to the text box. Type in mom. Capitalize that. Text box again. Just add one more time, and that's going to be coffee. So we're going to start this design just like this. And highlight instant. We're going to change the font on it by going over here to this arrow. And I think I'm going to use that one. We want to change the font on mom to, let's see, I'm going to try to do that. You either scroll down or you can type in, if you know what font you're going to use, you can type it in. Try to type this one in. I happen to like this one. Barbara, I can never. Well, that one's not in there. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try. There's a second half to fonts. There's a lot of fonts on Canva. So there it is. I'm going to use Barbara for mom. And just add. I'm going to highlight that. And I'm going to use this one all the way through. No, I'm going to use another one. I'm going to try Best Light because I like that one as well. So now you just simply rescale the words. That's instant. Mom. By using the little dots in the corner. Oops, I didn't mean to delete that. So now we're going to use the effect right here, and we're going to curve instant. And if it's too much, we'll go down here and straighten out a bit, and then rescale again. And then mom, we're going to hollow that so that the color of the shirt will show inside the mom. So if it was a shirt or a t-shirt, to change the color or to see what it's going to look like, I would click on the whiteboard, click on the color panel, and change the color so that way the pink would show through the hollow part on mom. But for right now, I'm going to just leave it white because I'm going to download it without a background anyway. Not that. Leave the board white. Click on it. Color panel shows up. And change it back to white. So that was a simple design that we just did in less than a few minutes. And we just download it to our computer and then upload it to whatever print-on-demand company we're using. And that's how you spice up a plain text design. That's one. So now the second design for mom, we're going to change this word to awesome. Just click on it and type awesome mom. We can get rid of instant. Delete that. Delete just add coffee. Awesome mom. We can also change the font on that to make a different shirt. Let's see, when I find one I like, let's see. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. Use that one. Awesome mom. And we can highlight it and the three dots, click on it. We can underline it and we can click on the O right here and change it to, go to the color panel and change that to red. Well, I already have effects on it, so I'm going to have to take the effects off and then change it to red. So it won't be hollowed. It'll be just filled in, and that's a cute design. And also when we get ready to put it on a print-on-demand product, maybe a mug or something else, a scarf or something for mom, we would go over here to where it says resize and change this to 5,000 by 5,000 pixels. If it's not already there, you click right here, change the inches to pixels, type in 5,000 by 5,000, but mine is already there because I use it all the time. I'm just going to check the box and then I'm going to resize. And that step is necessary to make this design fit on all print-on-demand products in a print-on-demand store. So we're still I'm going to upscale this just a bit. And there's another text design. Simple. And here's one more text design for mom. We can change this word to cool. Maybe use another font. Maybe we'll make the cool straight. Click on effects. Change the effect to none. We'll use cool. And we can make sure turn it back to black. The whole word. Remove the underline or leave it, either one. That's the three dots. Remove the underline. We can change mom to another font. Let's see what this, there's a new way. We can change it to that font. I don't like that one. What about that one? And go over to Element and type in heart. And add a heart that's free, that has no crown like this that says Pro. Add a heart that's free. Click on it. Take that O out. Put a space there. Put a heart right there. Rescale it. Doesn't have to be that much space between the M's. Okay, rescale it. Put that heart there. Go back to the text box. Click on heading. Type an O in there. Raise the O up right here over the heart. I'm going to rescale these. Don't need to be that much space there. Okay. And change the O to maybe white. And there you have another text design. Maybe make that O a little bit larger. There's another text design. So that's it for the mothers. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.